What if the sun suddenly doubled in size? Imagine waking up and realizing something feels off. The sun, the celestial giant that governs our lives, has suddenly doubled in size overnight. What would this spell for Earth and us? Buckle up as we dive into this exciting what-if scenario packed with heat, chaos, and cosmic surprises. A sun twice its size would dominate the sky, casting a blinding glow even during sunrise or sunset. The sheer brightness and expanded reach of its energy could turn night into a distant memory. Its beauty meets terror, a sky that glows, but at a fiery cost. Its gravitational pull would intensify, exerting forces that no celestial body could ignore. Planets, moons, and asteroids would shuffle like pieces of a cosmic deck. Our solar system, as we know it, could start crumbling apart. For life on Earth, a doubled sun spells temperature spikes beyond imagination. Ice caps, gone in moments. Oceans, they'd begin boiling at the equator and evaporating into thick, suffocating clouds. Earth would transform into a greenhouse too hot for survival. Electric power grids would struggle under endless days of scorching heat. Agriculture might collapse in the wake of super droughts. Humanity's survival would depend on finding underground or artificial havens to escape the relentless blaze above. Mercury and Venus would be the first to fall. These inner planets, already blistering under the sun's current size, would likely vaporize, leaving only clouds of scorched particles. The asteroid belt, a scattering of rock and debris tossed into wild new orbits. Planets farther out, like Jupiter or Saturn, might rejoice in the extra warmth, perhaps briefly. But this swap of cosmic balance could disturb their moons' orbits, sending them careening into planets or plunging into nearby gas giants. Here's a twist. Mars, our red neighbor, might become habitable or at least less hostile. With extra heat reaching it, its icy poles could melt, providing water for potential future colonies. Atmosphere? Still thin, but it might thicken enough to nurture small pockets of adapted human life. Would humanity race to terraform Mars? Perhaps. But even this ambition could be jeopardized as Mars itself grapples with chaotic new orbits and other dangers posed by the destabilized solar system. Humanity's future hangs precariously in the balance. Would a sun double in size behave the same way? Not quite. Its larger magnitude would accelerate nuclear fusion at its core. It would burn hotter, but also exhaust its fuel faster. Instead of billions of years in its current phase, our sun might collapse into a red giant in mere tens of millions. That means even if humans survive the immediate changes, our sun's days would be numbered. A massive explosion, possibly a supernova, might become our star's dramatic finale, consuming everything in its fiery last act. Is humanity ready for such cosmic surprises? Our best shot at survival might involve space travel and the establishment of self-sufficient colonies on distant planets. But could we build this lifeline in time? Would we unite or splinter apart as chaos erupts worldwide? Survival would demand our greatest minds solving the wildest problems, while the average person comes to terms with living underground on other planets or amidst entirely new technologies. This isn't just science fiction. It's humanity questioned to its core. Scenarios like this remind us of the fragility of life on Earth and inspire discussions about our place in the universe. Could we be better prepared for cosmic challenges like asteroid impacts or even long-term climate change? The more we speculate, the more solutions we dream up. Exploring the impossible helps us take control of the possible. It's not just about fear. It's about expanding our sense of wonder, our scientific curiosity, and our drive to innovate before the clock or the sun runs out. What would you do in a universe where the sun suddenly doubled in size? Would humanity adapt, flee, or perish? Let your imagination shine as brightly as our hypothetical supersized sun. Share your thoughts in the comments, like this video, and follow us for more thrilling cosmic explorations.